I'm Sophia and this is Renata, and we wanted to demonstrate a game or exercise that can be used in NVC workshops. It's called the Empathy Fruitbowl. Here we have a bowl of 5 offerings. Actually, it's not all fruit, can be all fruit, or it could even be other things. And these all represent one of the 4 steps of MVC: observation, feeling, need, request, or the 5th step, which is sometimes included, which is thought or perspective. And we're going to role play something that not quite happened this way, but I've gotten a bit of feedback a bit like this. And when Renata tells me her thought, she is giving me the bowl, and that represents her giving me all of these things at once, all of these bits of information, and with it, she's given me a package of her life energy. So one of the key points of this exercise that I would like to emphasize is that a nice attitude to have when I receive it is to say thank you, because she's giving me this package of life energy. Thank you. And even if in a real dialogue we might not necessarily say thank you, it's nice to have that kind of attitude. So she will give me her package of life energy, and I'm going to take some of it for myself and give some of it back. So we're going to demonstrate.
Hello, Sophia. I cannot come to your workshop. You made it too far away.
Thank you. Thank you. So, I'm hearing your perspective, the way you see it, is that it's too far away.
Yes.
Okay. And am I hearing right that, are you feeling annoyed right now?
Yes.
Okay.
Very annoyed.
It's hers. I give it back to her. And sounds like you really wanted to come to this workshop. Are you just really wanting more learning and some cool experiences for yourself?
Yes.
Okay. Giving it back to her. And the observation, I guess you're talking about how I decided that the workshop would be in Wannsee. Of course, in a normal dialogue, that's obvious, but it's her observation, so I'm going to keep this one for myself, because I agree. I did decide that the workshop would be in Wannsee. If we're going to be very accurate, the observation is I wrote, she read that the workshop is in Wannsee. And finally, I'm guessing maybe you would like of me that next time I do this workshop, we do it somewhere more central. Is that right?
Yes.
Okay.
Would be great.
So that's her request, or that's a strategy, and I'm going to take this one for myself, because I've agreed to it. In other versions of this exercise, it's possible I could give it back to her and say, sorry, I can't take that request, like, I can't accept that request, could you make another one? And then she might make another one, and I say, okay, I'm going to take this from you now. But yeah, so the exercise helps us in a very visual way first receive the life energy, give some of it back, take some of it for herself, and make clear distinctions between these different parts, these different aspects of what she was saying, which might be, some of them might be subtextual, and we might have to guess at them and check it out with her. So that's the exercise, and I think it can maybe add a bit of spice to your MVC workshops. Thank you very much for watching.